Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by laying out your chart paper flat and securing one edge so it won't shift. This preserves scale. Measure a 24 in by 18 in working area, then draw a light center line. Once done, establish a grid 1 in to 2 in works to transfer screen details accurately. Use a ruler for straight edges and mark a 1/2 in margin for bezel. Make sure to pick a reference screenshot now. That guides color blocks and proportions. You now ink the outer frame confidently, using the ruler for crisp corners. Keep the bezel around 3/8 in to look realistic. Once the frame is set, draw the inner screen rectangle, then mark locations for buttons and ports with 1/4 in ticks so spacing is consistent. Next, sketch the stand and shadow anchors. These give the monitor weight on the paper. After that, block base colors using broad strokes. This prevents smudging. You finish by adding highlights and subtle reflections to cell depth. A white gel pen for tiny glare spots makes the screen look alive. Then label each element, bezel, screen, stand, ports, and note your scale and materials so others can replicate the model. Once complete, step back and inspect proportions. If things seem off, erase only small areas, revisit the grid, and remeasure key distances before redrawing. This targeted correction keeps your chart neat and accurate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.